everyone, if you're new here, my name is Johanna Marr and I've been documenting my journey on how I lost 100 pounds this year. This is part 2 of what I eat in a week. In my last video, I showed you what meals I cook at home to stay healthy. Today I'm going to show you how I make food decisions while on vacation. My dear friend is visiting from out of state. She's never been to New York before, so we want to have the ultimate Christmas in New York experience. Food is a big part of this, so I'm definitely going to enjoy myself while making conscious choices. I used to always say vacation calories don't count, and I love that motto, absolutely treat yourself. However, those calories will unfortunately follow you home, so here are some tips to keep in mind while eating on vacation. Ask yourself, is this something that I can't have at home? Is it special to the area or a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity? If so, go ahead, have it, enjoy it. You'll regret it if you don't. For instance, pizza is a popular New York meal. I've had it a million times, so this time I'll pass, but as a tourist, this might be something that I'd splurge on. Are you hungry or are you just having a craving? If you're craving something sweet, have something small or a bite of something sweet. If you want more, you're hungry, so switch to something healthier to fulfill your hunger. Is this a shareable item? I didn't get a picture of it, but my friend and I did share a dessert. We had a couple of bites each, and it was enough to enjoy something together while not consuming too much sugar. If you would have seen my last video, you would know I don't eat breakfast nor do I drink alcohol often, so I'm going to be discussing lunch, dinner, drinks, and snacks. If you have not seen my last video, what are you doing? Go watch it. It's linked below along with all of my other videos in this weight loss series. Without further ado, let's jump right into dinner on the first night. Here we have a cucumber spritzer mocktail. It was very refreshing. And for dinner I had grilled chicken with avocado and steamed carrots. I know this looks really plain, but it was seasoned so well and definitely gave me the fuel I needed to walk several miles later that night. Another tip is to always have water on you. It's important to stay hydrated in general, but especially when you're going to be doing a lot of physical activity that day. Here we have a classic New York bagel. It happens to be one of my friend's favorite foods and definitely on the bucket list, so we had to stop by Zucker's by Bryant Park. Previously, I would have gobbled this up, maybe even eaten a second bagel, but I try to be more conscious about portion sizes, especially if it's not something that healthy. So I ate half of this and I saved the other half for later in case I got hungry. This is my favorite bar, hands down. Oscar Wilde Bar goes all out for the holidays, and they have a nice selection of cocktails and mocktails. Something to keep in mind, mocktails typically are not any less expensive than normal cocktails, which is annoying, but something to be aware of. I usually choose the Tyler the Creator, which is basically ginger beer and hibiscus. It is delicious every time. Next up, we have Piccola Cucina for lunch nearby Central Park. This is one of my favorite Italian places. We shared a Greek salad, which is just vegetables and some oil, a little feta, and some ceviche with quinoa and avocado. These were healthy meals and healthy portions. As I've mentioned before, I struggle with protein intake, so I wanted to focus on that for dinner. I loaded up with pork and egg. Beware, this was definitely a bit salty though. I paired it with another mocktail. This was a bit more watered down, sort of just tasted like juice, but it was still pretty good. After dinner, we did some more sightseeing to work off this dinner, and we called it a night. Let me know what else you'd like to see from me down below. I thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a lovely day.